Another recipe using cake mixes, slice and bake cinnamon cookies.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Makes 12.
Hello everyone, starting off with a large bowl and one package of spiced cake mix. This spiced cake mix that I used was Duncan Hines, but you can use whatever spiced cake mix you want. Then add half a cup of vegetable shortening and a third of a cup of butter that's at room temperature. Add in an egg and 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. And then just blend this with an electric mixer or by hand until you get a smooth, fairly stiff cookie dough. Then you're going to gather that into a ball shape, and then I would divide this into 4 pieces and roll it into log shapes that are about 2 inches in diameter approximately. Now at first I divided it into 2 and I was trying to roll it into this sugar, and I was realizing I was having a hard time because it was a bit too long for the plate I was using. The sugar that's on that plate is turbinado sugar, which is like a coarse brown sugar is what it is. So divide your dough into 4 pieces, roll it in the sugar, and then wrap it up with plastic wrap, or in this case I'm just using waxed paper, and you're going to place all these 4 little dough logs in the refrigerator to chill. Now the reason you want to chill until firm is that it's going to be easier to slice when it comes time to bake them. And then just use a sharp knife to slice through the cookie dough log into individual cookies about 1/4 of an inch thick, approximately 1/4 to 1/2. And if they're out of shape a little bit, they're not round, you can just gently pat them into a round shape, place them on a cookie sheet, and bake for at 350 for about 10 minutes or so until the edges are brown. Let them cool on the cookie sheet for a couple minutes, transfer to a wire rack until cooled completely. And this is the cookie. I'm just going to show you what the texture's like. It's quite a crisp cookie. It's not a soft cookie. And my thumb looks terrible because I had smashed it and the nail bed was growing out. Okay, so you're going to take your cookies, if you like, turn them over so that the bottoms are up, and then you can turn these into sandwich cookies by putting a little bit of filling in. I use a dulce de leche kind of caramel spread. You could also use plain old frosting if you want, or enjoy them just the way they are. The cookies are quite good just on their own, but I had this in the fridge. I wanted to use it up, so I made these into some sandwich cookies. Delicious, crisp, yummy. If you love cinnamon, you're going to enjoy these. I hope you give them a try. Thanks for watching. I have a whole playlist filled with recipes that use cake mixes. Turn a regular cake mix into something special. Check it out.